Hi friends, welcome to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate you. Happy New Year and Happy Makar Sankranti. On board, you can see the important topics such as the UPPCS GIC lecture. UPPCS GIC lecture means recently UPPCS have notified a important post of GIC lecture means Government Inter College Lecture 2020. On my channel, this topic, this part, such as the biology subject, will be covered in the mode of lecture, in the lecture mode. First of all, I would like to tell you what is the examination structure. Examination structure of GIC lecture means Government Inter College Lecture have divided into two parts. First one is the preliminary examination and second one is the mains examination. Preliminary examination containing 120 questions. 120 questions will be in the divided into two parts. First one is the GS and second one is the optional subject. There is the list of optional subjects such as the 14 to 15 subjects such as zoology, botany, and biology, simply history, geography, civics, economics, and so many physics, chemistry, maths. Hence, 18 questions will be occurred from your optional subject. Then our subject, my subject is the biology containing the 18 questions from subject and 40 questions from GS, means general studies. There is the provision of 1/3 negative marking also. Friends, then after clearing the prelims examinations, you can enter in the mains examinations, and mains examinations structure will be divided into two parts. First one is the Hindi and essay. Hindi and essay will contain the 100 marks questions, and optional subject such as the my subject is the biology, it will be containing 300 marks. Okay, and overall total question will be asked by commission in the optional subject will be 20, and there is the provision of three type of question. First one is the long type of question which will be 5 question. Second one is the short question which also 5 question, and there will be 10 question which will be the very short question, and there will be the word limit also. Long question containing 250 words, short question containing the 150 words, and very short question containing the 50 words. And marking pattern also divided into this manner. First one is the long question containing 25 marks, short question containing 15 marks, and very short question will contain the 50 marks. Then whole the examination pattern will occur in prelims and mains, and what will be the structure of this examination will be like this pattern. Okay friends, then I would like to explain you the basic syllabus of biology. Like biology, there will be the other subject which can be uploaded time to time at our channel and other also channel by tutor various lecturer. Okay, then syllabus of biology will be divided into two parts. First one is the botany and second one is the zoology. Botany syllabus will containing 7 subtopics and zoology containing the 11 subtopics. Okay, by the this topic and this topic there is the very important topics also, such as the first one is the in botany section plant diversity, angiosperms, plant physiology, microbiology, economic botany, plant pathology, ecology, and environment. In this section plant pathology and economic ecology and environment is the very important topic because various questions occurs from this section. Plant pathology will containing the disease pattern in the plant, what will be the its disease management, what will be the epidemiology, what will the quarantine pattern, and so many other factors responsible to the plant pathology. Okay, then second one is the ecology and environment. Ecology and environment is the versatile part of your GS also and your optional also. Okay, and third one is the economic botany, in which the what will be the spices, condiments, and so many other parts will be asked from these parts. And next would be microbiology, in which the microorganisms studies such as the bacteria, viruses, mycoplasma, and so many others microorganisms will be asked. Okay, then plant physiology which containing the transpiration, respiration, plant photosynthesis, hormonal pattern, and so many other parts will be asked from this part. Okay, then angiosperms. Angiosperms will containing the various families such as the, for example, Solanaceae, Malvaceae, and other. And plant diversity and which type of plants occurs around you. Then this will be the syllabus of botany. Okay, then important part is the zoology, and zoology contains the maximum important questions, and so many technical questions will be asked from zoology section also. Okay friends, then this syllabus will be divided into 11 subtopics. What will be the this? First one is the animal diversity, second one is the non-chordates, third chordates, anatomy, frog, pigeon, rabbit. Next, animal histology, animal physiology, and biochemistry. Then, friends, please comment on what is the difference between non-chordate and chordate. Here is the very important part of your curriculum, of your study, is the anatomy of frog, pigeon, and rabbit. Means that what is the internal structure of each organism. Then animal histology. Animal histology means the tissue structure. Which type of tissue structures occurs in the various type of organism, various type of animals. Okay. Then next important part is the animal physiology and biochemistry. Animal physiology will normally containing the what is the digestion pattern in the organism, respiration, excretion, osmoregulation, and so many other factors also. And biochemistry will containing the important parts such as the carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats, okay, and their metabolism also. Next one is the animal embryology. Animal embryology will also containing the embryonic development of an organism, in which the what pattern of the embryo development will occur in the organisms will also studied in this part. And next one is the cell biology, which containing the cytology and molecular biology. Cytology means the cell organelles, is cellular regulation, cell cycle, okay, and molecular biology will containing the molecular pattern of the nucleic acids, means DNA, RNA, proteins, and so many other macro and micro molecules. And genetics also containing the pedigree analysis, inheritance pattern, disease uh, occurrence by the genetic modifications, and so many other uh, subparts also included in this. And next one is the biotechnology and its application in the human welfare. And last one is the organic evolution, by which the organism have evolved and what is the ancestral record and so many other parameters. In by this, both of the part botany and zoology will containing the whole knowledge about your prelims and your optional subject. Overall, I hope that friends, you will properly learn, properly understand this topic, subtopics, what is the examination structures. Then if you want to join whole biology syllabus to succeed in this examination for biology lecturer, then you can also visit our channel regularly. And I promise that in month of February to April, lectures will be uploaded time to time, and also test patterns, also assignments will be provided time to time to all of you. I hope you would enjoy this topic, subtopics related to the GIC lecturer. Thank you.